Incense burner.
That sounds cool. So let's see. Let's see what we got in here.
Let's see, everyone.
Alright, be careful.
Burner. Be careful,
So
it's
this
makeable.
is how it is. I think we need to assemble it. So yeah.
So
Please
bye
take
bye.
time to assemble it.
Okay, yeah, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool though, right? Look at that. Okay, that's pretty badass.
It's going down.
Mom, this is totally going in my room.
Everything is going in your room.
Yep, everything is going in my room. Wow, Incense burner is so cool.
Yeah, it looks like a waterfall.
Yeah, it looks like a waterfall, but you can't touch it. You cannot.
Don't get transfer, okay?
Alright.
I just get some water. I just get some water.
Damn, you got a lot of those, don't you? Wow. Oh, they do different colors?
Which one?
The blue ones are definitely blue.
Yeah?
Will be pink.
Yeah?
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. See that? It looks like a waterfall. That's definitely awesome. So here you go, guys. If you want to buy this incense burner, all you got to do is go to the description below and buy it through the link I provided, and you can get a discount. Alright? Enjoy!